Getting started with AI on Jucyai involves adding your API keys. This lets you use your own language models from platforms like OpenAI, Azure, or even OpenRouter. Let me guide you through the process step by step. 1. Start off by going to the LLM options page. You can reach this page by following this link, LLM options. 2. Once you are on the LLM options page, you'll see different sections where you can enter your respective API keys. 3. Depending on the AI you are using, you can select between OpenAI, Grok, or OpenRouter. 4. Not only that, you also have the freedom to choose from all the different supported AI models we have. We have quite a variety. Note, to get your OpenAI key, go to https://platform.openai.com/API keys. Also, you must register first to access this platform. Click on the link below to learn how to generate an OpenAI API key the right way. Visit the Resources tab on our website, jucyai.net, to download the Getting Started tutorial for the Jucyai chatbot to learn more.